Topic of this presentation is fossil fuels. I will explain different types of these fuels, their composition and uses. Let us start with definition of fossil fuels. A fossil fuel is a hydrocarbon-containing material such as coal, oil, and natural gas, formed naturally in the Earth's crust from the remains of dead plants and animals that is extracted and burned as a fuel. Fossil fuel is a generic term for non-renewable energy sources such as coal, coal products, natural gas, derived gas, crude oil, petroleum products, and non-renewable wastes. These fuels originate from plants and animals that existed in the geological past, for example, millions of years ago. These are main types of fossil fuels. Number 1, crude oil. Second is coal. And third is natural gas. Following are the steps involved in formation of fossil fuel. After millions of years underground, the compounds that make up plankton and plants turn into fossil fuels. Plankton decomposes into natural gas and oil. Plants become coal. Humans extract these resources through coal mining and the drilling of oil and gas wells on land and offshore. Now, what is crude oil? It is a mixture of hydrocarbons that exists in liquid phase in natural underground reservoirs, and remains liquid at atmospheric pressure after passing through surface separating facilities. Crude oil is a raw natural resource that is extracted from the earth and refined into products such as gasoline, jet fuel, and other petroleum products. Chemically, crude oil is a mixture of comparatively volatile liquid hydrocarbons, compounds composed mainly of hydrogen and carbon, though it also contains some nitrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. Main types of crude oil are Class A, light, volatile oils. These oils are Class B, non-sticky oils. These oils have a waxy or oily feel. Class C, heavy, sticky oils. Class C oils are characteristically Class D, non-fluid oils. Products of crude oil include gasoline, distillates such as diesel fuel and heating oil, jet fuel, petrochemical feedstocks, waxes, lubricating oils, and asphalt. Coal is a fuel which is sedimentary deposit composed predominantly of carbon that is readily combustible. Coal is black or brownish black, and has a composition that, including inherent moisture, consists of more than 50% by weight and more than 70% by volume of carbonaceous material. Coal is a combustible black or brownish-black sedimentary rock, formed as rock strata called coal seams. Coal is mostly carbon with variable amounts of other elements, chiefly hydrogen, sulfur, oxygen, and nitrogen. The organic compounds in coal are composed of the elements carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and trace amounts of a variety of other elements. The ranks of coals, from those with the least carbon to those with the most carbon, are lignite, subbituminous, bituminous, and anthracite. Coal also has a myriad of other uses, including in cement production, carbon fibers and foams, medicines, tars, synthetic petroleum-based fuels, and home and commercial heating. Number 3 is natural gas, which is a fossil fuel energy source. Natural gas is a fossil fuel formed from the remains of plants and animals. Other fossil fuels include oil and coal. Natural gas is a non-renewable, odorless, colorless, flammable and non-toxic hydrocarbon. Natural gas mainly contains methane and smaller amounts of ethane, propane, butane, and heavier hydrocarbons along with varying amounts of water vapors, carbon dioxide, sulfur compounds, and other non-hydrocarbons. Ethane, propane, butane, and propane are known as associated gases. Types of natural gas are LPG, LNG, CNG, FLNG. Natural gas is an ingredient used to make fertilizer, antifreeze, plastics, pharmaceuticals, and fabrics. It is also used to manufacture a wide range of chemicals such as ammonia, methanol, butane, ethane, propane, and acetic acid. Many manufacturing processes require heat to melt, dry, bake, or glaze a product. Percentage of energy sources in globe is shown in figure. Hope this video helped you understand fossil fuel briefly. For detailed study of these topics, keep watching my videos. It would be a great honor for me if you tell in comments the topics on which you want presentation. I will surely address those topics. Never forget to subscribe this channel. Like, comment, and share my videos.